Tired of removing backgrounds one by one? Well, what if I told you you can remove the background from 100 photos in just one click using a single AI tool? Stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how it's done, step by step. Head over to Canva and click on Create New Sheet. Now simply drag and drop all the photos you want the background removed from. Once all your images are uploaded, select them all, and here comes the magic part. Just click on the background remover button and let Canva's AI do the magic. Now here we have the images with background removed. To use your newly edited images, click on Add Page. Choose your preferred type. Then right-click on the image you want, select Detach Image, and drag it onto your canvas. You can repeat this with any of the image and edit them however you like. And that's it. 100 photos, one click. Free background removal in Canva AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.